Happy new day, expectant authors. I've got something divine to share with you. Yesterday at the fitness center, I reconnected with a beautiful queen I met this past summer. I showed her my birthday book workshop flyer, and her whole spirit just lit up. She immediately grabbed her phone and sent me a video calling it a prophetic word. She reminded me of something powerful. It's time to PUSH.
I'm the Lil Labor Coach, and I'm here to tell you to push.
Proceed until success happens. With the Birth That Book workshop, success is inevitable. I told her, I am your literary labor coach. If you've conceived a book idea, then you are in labor, and it's time to bring it forth. Just like giving birth to a child, your manuscript may not arrive on a perfect schedule. But when it's ready, it's time to birth that book. This is your divine invitation to the Birth That Book workshop starting February 21st, 2026. So watch that video, feel the confirmation, and when you're ready, tap that button and claim your spot. I've been doing this since 2010. We started at Family Christian Center in Munster, Indiana, as an equipped class. People came out in droves from all over to be a part of the Birth That Book experience. I am personally inviting you to join us. We would be so happy to have you with us. With love and purpose, I am Kamala Akhia Sakhet, your literary labor coach. Keep expecting